Parliamentary Affairs Minister Venkaiah Naidu said that Parliament will take 6 ordinances to convert them into bills in the coming days. Talking about the controversial land acquisition bill, Naidu said that discussion is going on with different parties regarding the ordinance and he is confident that collective support will come for the bill.
The Parliament will be taking up the 6 ordinances to convert them into bills in the coming days. And as far as the land acquisition ordinance is concerned, the government is committed to this ordinance. But if any meaningful suggestions come, definitely they will be considered. And we are there to protect the interests of the farmers. The ministers are holding discussion with the various parties. I have also spoken to Telangana Chief Minister and also Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister, seeking their support for the land acquisition bill. They are positive. And I am also talking to other parties also. At the end of the day, I am confident that everybody will think collectively in the larger interest of the country and support the land acquisition bill. And the coal ordinance also is very important legislation because it is helping the country, and already we got more than 1,12,000 crores or so from 18 mines. There are 204 mines to be auctioned. So most transparent and honest method. Mines and minerals also is an important legislation, and also e-rickshaw also is for the welfare of the poor people. All they will be taken up. There will be discussion on budget, there will be discussion on railway budget, and also there will be discussion on other public issues, whichever members want to raise. But the priority of the government is to get these 6 ordinances to be converted into bills.
Powered by NNIS.